Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we'll see how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. So let's get started. So just go to the search icon and just type in Windows Defender firewall. Now just go to Windows Defender firewall on or off. Now just click on turn off Windows Defender firewall. For private network and also for the public network, turn off Windows Defender firewall. Now click on OK, and now the Windows Defender firewall has been disabled. So this was all on how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. Hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.